Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, we have to just simply drag down your control center, and after that simply off your airdrop, and after that enable your airdrop and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply drag down your control center again and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and after that simply turn it on again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then what you need to do, you have to just simply shut down your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, restart your iPhone by going to the settings. Now from here guys, simply tap on journal, and after that scroll to below. Then here you can see guys, shut down. Tap on here and restart your device to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then what we need to do, we have to simply open software update, and you have to make sure that there is no update on your device. If there are any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply go back, open your screen time, scroll to below. Then here you can see guys, content and privacy restriction. Tap on this. Now after that guys, simply tap in here allowed apps, and after that you have to make sure that the airdrop toggle will be turned on and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to simply go back, open journal, scroll to below. Then here you can see that transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this, tap on reset, and from here guys, simply tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.